Welcome to Global Deal Explorer, your trusted source for discovering the best global deals for US buyers. If you're starting a custom printing business, upgrading your production setup, or diving into UV DTF printing in 2026, this video is exactly what you need. Today we're revealing the top 5 digital A3DTF printers of 2026, ranked for performance, reliability, print quality and overall value. At number 5 we have the ACHI 3 UV DTF printer, a versatile 2-in-1 UV DTF printer designed for serious small business owners. And this machine stands out with its waterproof and dustproof design, helping protect internal components and extend lifespan. Its built-in laminating and gliding system makes AB film transfer smooth and efficient. Perfect for printing on wood, glass, fabric and hard surfaces. This model is ideal for Etsy sellers and custom gift shops across the US. If you want an affordable entry into a UV DTF sticker production with reliable US stock availability, and this is a solid starting point. Coming in at number 4, the Auto A3 UV DTF printer machine 30 centimeters. Designed for automation and efficiency, this printer supports 30 centimeter AB film transfer, making it a great choice for logo production and bulk sticker printing. It delivers clean, sharp graphics with UV cured durability. For US entrepreneurs producing brand labels, product packaging stickers and promotional decals, this machine balances speed and affordability. If you're scaling from a hobbyist to production level output, this is a smart mid-tier option. At number 3 we have the durable business ready Protocol A3 UV DTF printer XP600. Equipped with the powerful XP600 printhead, this model delivers high resolution prints with consistent color output, ideal for detailed sticker designs and premium branding materials. And this printer is especially attractive for US small business owners launching custom merchandise lines. Think tumblers, laptop decals, product labels and limited edition designs. Reliable, durable, built for growth. If long-term performance matters to you, this model deserves a serious consideration. In second place we have the high-performance 32 centimeter A3 UV DTF printer Color&White&Varnish. And this machine stands out because it prints color, white, color and varnish in one single pass, increasing efficiency while delivering stunning texture and gloss effects. For US phone case businesses, custom promotional product companies and on-demand print shops, this means faster turnaround and professional grade results. Stable performance, larger 32 centimeters width and premium layering capability make this a powerful contender in 2026. And taking the number 1 spot, the impressive Sihao UV printer A3A4 with ultra high resolution up to 5760 by 1440 dpi. This printer delivers crisp, vibrant prints that compete with commercial grade machines. What truly sets it apart was rotational printing capability for bottles and cylindrical products. That opens doors to custom water bottles, cosmetics packaging and promotional drinkware. Huge markets in the US. It supports paper, PVC, phone cases, bottles and more, making it one of the most versatile UV DTF printers available this year. If you're looking for maximum flexibility, premium quality and expansion potential, this is our top pick for 2026. To recap, these are the top 5 digital A3DTF printers of 2026 for US buyers looking to build or scale a custom printing business. And whether you're starting small or investing in high output production, there's a machine on this list that fits your goals and budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more global deals and business equipment reviews. This is Global Deal Explorer, helping you turn smart purchases into profitable opportunities. See you in the next